Hello, everyone. The information and analytical service is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the corporation. If you're interested, you can pause the video. You can look at all the indicators of the organization being studied in detail. Now we will look at the current indicators of the organization. ARRY Technologies, ticker ARRY. This review is based on data as of September 1st, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets company ARRY Technologies, Inc. belongs to the subcategory Energy Equipment. 27 organizations are taking part in the comparison. Look for the decisions made at the end of the video. The overall result for the company is as follows: minus 5.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.1 points. If you look very broadly, within the US market as a whole, we can see that the average result for the entire market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 5.5 points for the company ARRY Technologies. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price ARRY Technologies and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months the shares ARRY Technologies showed a change of 36.6%. Compared to the price dynamics for the subcategory of 23.8%. Market capitalization of the organization ARRY Technologies valued at $1.37 billion. With a market capitalization of $183 billion, the subcategory is worth $183 billion. The company's book value is estimated at negative $0.06 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $30 billion. Comparing the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Share ARRY Technologies in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.751%. Book value capitalization is minus 0.206%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's debts amount to negative $0.116 billion. Financial liabilities to balance sheet capitalization constitute 190% of capital. The result for the level of the company's financial obligations, bad, minus 1 point. The ratio of the company's stock market value to its earnings is 0. The average in the subcategory is 51.7. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $266 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $132 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 1.2. Average in subcategory 4. Assessment of the market price-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,170 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of indicators of projected future sales volumes in comparison with indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 22.7%, with an average for the subcategory of 7.7%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.747%. which is 1% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is $1,348,000. And in the subcategory $1,340,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit per employee of the company is negative $260,400. Subcategory average, $25,900. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue share per individual employee is $1,147,000. In the subcategory $334,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 25.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 4%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 64% for the company ARRY Technologies Inc. While in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 46%. The company's current share price is around $9.02. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $9.10. Let's go to the table of orders, which is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's share valuation ARRY Technologies Inc. Information and reference System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open sell order at $9.01 per share. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively low rating and price dynamics. The company's assessment was carried out based on the assessment approach, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 5.03. Stop loss is set at 12.99. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically at the end of the session on October 1st, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, GGAL, is the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, another order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the help system from Guru Markets.